Hi, this is Jitesh Satyan. WhatsApp number +919656611829. Today's short talk is part of a series on stages in the spiritual progress of an aspirant. As part of series, we completed 10 bulls of Zen based on pictures of Kakwa and 10 ox herding in Zen based on pictures of Subun, the elephant path in Mahamudra tradition, Saptolasa or 7 stages in Parashurama Kalpa Sutra, general progress stages in Hinduism, Christianity and Buddhism. And now we are handling Tantric Devatas for stage progress. So the key message is not to be let down at a specific stage of spiritual progress, as everyone makes progress only with practice. Having focused on the other 5 topics in previous talks, in last talk we started with Tantric Devatas for stage progress with Tantra and discussed on first 4 Kalis of external orientation in Dwadasha Kali. We'll complete the rest in this talk. So the next 4 deals with internal orientation and last 4 deals with self. Okay, 5th Kali is Samhara Kali. Samhara means destroying or killing. The goddess in this form represents the energy of killing the external materialistic focus. The internal focus results in creation of knowledge about witness, Atman, or internal consciousness. So the category here is internal world creation. From an aspirant perspective, it is destruction of object relationship or creation of understanding that a self might exist as a witness or pure consciousness. Next, 6th Kali is Mrityu Kali. Mrityu means death. The goddess in this form represents the energy of death to the external materialistic focus. The process of destroying or killing is complete at this stage. So it corresponds to internal world sustenance. So from an aspirant perspective, deeper experience on existence of pure consciousness, clouded with doubts if the experience or understanding is true or fake. So this stage we see that the external focus is completely absent. Next is Rudra Kali. Rudra is combination of 2 terms, Rud to obstruct and Dra to dissolve. The goddess in this form represents the energy to dissolve obstruction or ignorance. So it corresponds to the category of internal world destruction. Experience involving clarification of doubts, ignorance, obstruction. Avidya is what happens at this particular stage. Now, finally, at the end of the internal orientation stage, which is stage 8, Martanda Kali. Martanda in Sanskrit means sun. The comparison here is to the light of knowledge, glowing like sun. The goddess in this form represents the energy of self-knowledge, Atmajnana. Category, internal world, beyond Srishti, Sthiti, Samhara. From an aspirant perspective, experience involving realization of self as a witness is achieved and focus moves to higher goal of experiencing supreme, which is still not realized. So individual consciousness is realized. So pure consciousness or self-realization has been achieved. But its equivalence with all-pervading pure consciousness is yet to be achieved. So internal orientation is completed at the end of stage 8. The final 4 Kali takes the sadhak to a complete realization of self as all-pervading pure consciousness. So let's look into these as well. Stage 9, Paramartha Kali. Parama Arka. means Supreme Sun. While the previous stage involving self as witness is called Sun, this stage, which starts the next phase involving self as Brahman, is called Supreme Sun. The goddess in this form represents the energy of creation associated to supreme bliss. The category is self creation. So, from an aspirant perspective, it is destruction of I or ego and creation of understanding that a higher state involving all-pervading pure consciousness, Brahman or supreme consciousness, experience is still pending. Next, stage 10. It is Kalanala Rudrakali. It has multiple terms. Kala meaning time, measure of duration. Nala, space, measure of length. Rud, corresponding to obstruction. Dra, to dissolve. So in combination, the term means the dissolution of time and space principles. So the goddess in these forms represents the energy that transcends time and space. So the category is self-sustenance. From an aspirant perspective, it is deeper experience of supreme consciousness, higher than witness experience that was limited. That is clouded with doubts if the experience or understanding is true or fake, corresponding to supreme consciousness. Next comes Mahakala Kali as stage 11. Mahakala is another name for Shiva. The goddess in this form represents the unity of Shiva and Shakti. So the category is self-destruction. Experience involving clarification of all doubts and obstructions, or Maya is completely overcome. Understanding of unity in Atman and Brahman, Jivatma, Paramatma, Aikyam, or destruction of duality. Now comes the last stage, stage 12, which is Mahabhairava Chandogra Ghora Kali. So this also has multiple terms. Mahabhairava meaning the great annihilator. Chandogra, understanding of. Ghora, deep state of being absorbed, as used in Antadasara Ghora, meaning inner condition of being deeply absorbed. The goddess in this form represents the great annihilator who destroys all obstructions and grants understanding of ultimate bliss. So it is category self beyond Srishti Sthiti Samhara, the experience of the highest state involving one with Brahman or Supreme. It is not cannot be strictly said as an experience since the mind is not present. The term experience itself is misleading. It is Jivatma, Paramatma, Aikyam, realization. So we completed the series. Thanks for listening.